The first thing we need to do after we log in to the WireTech Cloud Platform is create a network. So in the monitoring page, we click on Add Network. Then inside that, we put our network name. We put the web admin password. We can put our time zone location and also our actual location if you want to do that. We need to be careful with our web admin password simply because whatever password we assign in here will be the password for all the devices that we have added into this network. After all the information has been filled up on this page, we click on Save and go to the next page. On this page, we will create the SSID for the network, so we can create multiple SSIDs. So let's just create a one for now. So we give a SSID a name. So we call it SecuSafe WireTech SSID. For the encryption, we can choose one of the encryptions there, and then we can create a password for the SSID. By default, the 2.4 gig and 5 gig frequency will be combined. We can also limit the rate or the bandwidth of the for that SSID as well if you want to do that. We can also limit the bandwidth of that Wi-Fi network as well by enabling SSID rate limit and assigning a bandwidth value. We are not doing it for this network, so we'll just click on Save and go next. On this page, we'll be adding the devices, the WireTech devices into our network. So there's two options for adding. It's a scan device and enter serial number. On this page, we will be adding the WireTech devices onto our network. So the first option is scan device and the second option is enter serial number. The way it works in scan device is we put our serial number of the WireTech device. We choose AP management as cloud management and then click on add. This way it will show you all the devices in that network. So by just adding one serial number, we can add all the devices in one go. Whereas adding enter through serial number, in that case, we'll just add one device at a time. With scan device, all the devices have to be online to add in, whereas with enter serial number, the device doesn't really need to be online. It will just add the device if it has not been added to any other network or any other account. For this case, we are adding through enter serial number. So we'll just type the serial number of the device and click on add. It should be able to find the serial number. Then click on finish, and that's it. That's how we add a device to the WireTech Cloud Platform. After we click finish, the device will be added to our network. So this is how we can create a network, create an SSID, and add a WireTech device into our network in the WireTech Cloud Platform.